So, hello everybody. We gather here to discuss on the topic named information gathering with the example of job hunting. So, before initiating the information gathering topic, the core topic, we'll discuss. We'll ask a little question, a few questions to the participants. Like we have Abdul Rahman and we have Naeem with us. So, have you ever performed names? Have you ever performed information gathering, or have you ever get information gathering? Have you come across any information gathering steps while you are in information technology phases?
Like, are you asking with respect to job search or something else?
No, the term called information gathering. Have you
Yeah,
come
yeah.
across that?
It's
Yeah.
information gathering, or you can say OSINT, open source information gathering. So, like, if I want to, for example, like if I'm applying for any job, so I'll try to gather information about the company which I'm trying to apply for. Like recently, I wanted to search about a company. What does that company do? Is it a product-based company? It's a service-based company? About the reviews of the company. So that's a small part of information gathering, a basic job you can say, which is found easily on internet or through our network. And apart from that, in technical terms, if we say about information gathering, you can say that if there's a target about whom we want to gather information. So we have different tools available. Like if you want to gather the information about a person's email ID, if you have the email ID, but you don't know whether that person is using that email ID for on social media networks like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So there are few tools which we can use on Kali Linux, and that tool will find whether this email has been used on any of the social media platforms. Then there are some tools where we can gather the information from the phone numbers of the target. So this is a part of information gathering which I know, and there are different things, different other parts also in information gathering, like searching that target through Google Maps. If we get some latitude and longitude information, we can check that on Google Maps or different maps which are available for free online. We can track if we want to do OSINT. So these few things I know, which I have seen in cybersecurity podcasts and read on books, read in books. That's it.
It seems like you have done a little more information gathering steps in forensic analysis, because the things you have discussed comes under forensic analysis. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah,
That's cool.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, that's very cool. Yeah, so that's correct. Like email finding just email of some person is called email harvesting. Like we have his or her name. Okay, just name, the first name or second name. So by the combination of many emails possibilities, we can find the exact email IDs of that person. For example, if that person name is John and the second name is Martin, we can combine the John and Martin together. We have tools like email harvest tools are there. The OSINT framework is also providing such tools. We have Python to make that script by importing the libraries. We can make that easily. It's possible. But to check them, we have possibility, like we can check them via the two section of Gmail. Have you checked the two section of Gmail? When we are putting multiple emails on two section of Gmail, we can see the photos of the email owner if he or she has the photo. Or we can not only email the mail client, Gmail mail client, but other mail clients is also providing that feature, like it shows the photo of that person if we put the mail ID. Yeah, and by phone number, yeah, we have database. The many bridges are available free of cost, or Telegram or other places. Many bridges, like you just put the name, you just find out where that man was involved or woman was involved. Just those breaches are available. You can just find out the names and contacts and email, phone number, and address by those breaches. Yeah. So we would also like to know from your side, Saif. I hope you already know the topic of today's session. Today's session's topic is information gathering, and we have taken the example of job hunting, like how the cybersecurity experts or the people who are in information gathering phase, how they can perform a job hunting as example to complete that their information gathering phase. So we already know that information gathering is most crucial phase in cybersecurity, basically in pen testing. So we know how to gather information of websites, the network, the target people. But now we have taken the example of job hunting. Yeah. So would you like to add something into it, Saf, regarding information gathering? Have you ever faced that experience? Have you ever experienced that information gathering phase? Yes, Saf.
Uh, yeah, Assalamualaikum. Like brother, can you repeat the question little bit, like so I can understand what information gathering regarding which aspects you are asking.
Yeah. Have you ever performed information gathering? I'm just asking you in general. In general, have you ever performed information gathering? Just put that information gathering steps or the involvement of information gathering in this session. I'm just asking you in general. Have you come across information gathering phase, whether in cybersecurity while you were doing auditing, or in general in any other phase, field or any other works where information gathering is required?
Yeah. So basically, when we are gathering any information, we require to understand the scope of that particular thing for which we are collecting the information, and according to that, we are like acquiring the information on that object, particular object. Say, for example, I will take the example of auditing, and in auditing, what is happening? Like we have to gather the information about the application. So we take a walkthrough, and still like beside the walkthrough we also have some prior knowledge. On the basis of that we understand the application, and prior experience, like what areas should be covered while gathering the information, what areas, what are the pain areas, what are the important areas, what are the critical areas where we should collect the information to understand the application properly. So these are few things we keep in mind in collecting the information, and after after start initiating the process of the information gathering under such constraints, such rules, we also keep in mind that it should be properly collected and properly labeled. Say for example, for if we are collecting any information for servers, or we are collecting any information for application encryption, so we should properly document those information, so later we can use it for our purpose. And also if we can consider that information gathering about job hunting, or say for example of the concluding the job description, or understanding the job requirement, so or understanding the job profile, so we search for the different roles of the same, and understand what are the different requirement, and we write it down somewhere or in the notepad. After that we conclude that what are the requirements of that particular profile, say for example of the same and admin or VAPT. So whether they required white box testing, black box testing. So that is the part of the information gathering. That's all about my side.
Yeah, cool. As you have said, the labeling is most important thing. Like we are gathering information randomly from different resources. But if we don't have that proper knowledge of labeling those information, it can make the things messy. Like
Yes.
we will be not able to take information, use that information on time, like on time on some particular phases. So do you want to add up anything, names?
Yeah, nothing from my side. It was good information from Saif bhai. Thanks, Saif.
By the way, Saif has the experience of as a cybersecurity auditor. Okay, so he is in field. We
Oh,
would like
great.
to know, yeah. We would like to know, and by the way, he is also from Mumbai. He is from Mumbai. I am from Mumbai,
Oh,
and yeah. Let's ask Abdur Rahman. So, do you want to add something about information gathering? Then after, I think I have that screen available. I can share the screen and start the practical. We'll first start from the basic information gathering, which we are learning in all the courses, like any cybersecurity course, and then we'll jump into the topic called example of job hunting for cybersecurity. As means, Naim has discussed so many things, and Saif sir, he is also discussing, and he had discussed so many things about job gathering, means information gathering. We'll do the practicals. Yeah. So, would you like to add up anything about information gathering? If you have experience regarding information gathering, any information gathering in general. Yeah, Abdul Rahman, it's yours.
Yes. Yeah, regarding like information gathering, like previously, like I have learned this thing like through Google, like by applying this, by mentioning the correct keywords. If we are searching for like this company have this person name, by using that keywords, and with the help of like extensions, we can get the contact details as well. So by finding the email addresses as well through like by opening the LinkedIn page, and with the help of the tool which we can extract the emails and paste it on a sheet. So in general, like I do know about these two things only through Google and through extensions, which we can find out the using the keywords, the emails or the contacts.
Yeah, I think you have the experience. You already have experience of gathering information regarding job, example of jobs, like how you can gather the jobs available over the internet, being information gatherer.
Yeah, by using the correct the security, like correct keywords, like as we are looking for like ethical hacking jobs, like if you mention the correct keyword, using by using the Google only, it will be helpful. Like we get like many of the pages open. So by using the correct extensions, we can just extract the data, and we can use for like cold emailing, for which it will be helpful for our job interview. So the person may be interested by seeing our cold email, and he can invite us for a job interview, or he can refer us. So this cold emailing thing can be done by extracting the emails.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely right. So yeah, the keyboards plays very important role. We should know what we are writing and what we are finding. If we don't know what we are writing, we don't have that good writing skill or typing skill. Uh, More than typing skill, we need to have that prompt engineering skill. If we have that prompt engineering skill, we can get anything we want, being the information gatherer. So if we put this, means if you ask this topic to ChatGPT, what ChatGPT will reply me. So if possible, please come on camera and have the discussion interactive. I'm gonna share the screen. Uh, yeah, the screen sharing option is available. Yeah. One, two, screen one. Okay. Is it visible? I've shared the screen.
Yes, it's visible.
So my screen is visible, right?
But there is one question from my side about VAPT. Can I ask now, Urban bhai?
Uh, okay. Oh, okay.
Small question. Nowadays, I have heard from my developers friend, like the Chat GPT is like playing an important role, like while creating the code. So how it is affecting to VAPT?
Pardon,
When we
pardon.
perform abstract, when we are performing VAPT and abstract, so how Chat GPT is playing important role or how it is affecting? Can we use Chat GPT in auditing or in VAPT or abstract to fasten our work?
Yeah, we can use ChatGPT, but ChatGPT will not do all the work. Means ChatGPT can suggest what to do, what not, what can increase your efficiency, what can which tool can be better, which tool you can implement with CLI tools, CLI frameworks, which tool is beneficial for GUI performing GUI task. All these things can be told by ChatGPT. But if you're asking him to give me the exploits, it can't actually. When you will ask him, the expert, it will say, no, this is against our policies. It cannot give you how to hack. It can give you how to perform that test, but it will give you the information to use the tools or the configuration of tools. If you are confused with the tools, it can give you all the steps like do this, do that, and then this. If you're facing this, just give me the code or give me the error. I will give you the answer. So in this way, this chat GTP can help in VAPT or pen testing. Yes, sir, please. Saf, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yeah, I got your point, sir. Arman bhai, but I'm just like curious to know whether we can use in auditing or VAPT or not. So if any VAPT guy using it for making his work faster or something like that, I just want to know how we can use it or otherwise uh, we
Yeah, we can
cannot use it for our.
we can use if we are yeah, if we are participating on same project like you and me or Naim or everybody, if we all are participating on some project together, we'll definitely share you what can be asked, what not. And most of the cybersecurity experts, they have already recorded the capability of ChatGPT, what ChatGPT can do for cybersecurity people,
Hmm. Hmm.
for pen testers, for coders. All these things are available. So I hope you have done with prompt engineering. You have to do the prompt engineering, being cybersecurity expert or being cybersecurity professional person. Do you know
Okay.
prompt engineering?
Okay, I got your point, sir.
Yeah. So prompt engineering is very important things to perform. Just it may take 1.5 week, 1 week, or one more than 1 week. But understanding prompt engineering is most important things. One of the most important things to understand the prompt engineering.
Yes, I have heard the prompt engineering, but I have
Yeah.
not learned.
Okay. So we are going to do some practical parts, practical of this information gathering phase. We'll first take how we are getting information, being a researcher or being pen tester of any framework or any domain, means any application, web application or the entire network. Okay. Okay. So the same thing we are going to ask to GPT. Okay. Is it visible? Mm, I've shared the screen.
Yes, it is.
Okay. steps involved in information gathering as web penetration tester. We can put web penetration tester or network penetration tester or anything. Just mention your role over here. So it will give those steps which are involved in all the cybersecurity courses. The people are learning in cybersecurity courses. We are performing all this stuff, right? So defining all this stuff is very crucial. As Saif said, these are the crucial things. We have to understand what we are looking for, where we are going to store the information, how we will arrange those information after gathering the information. Okay. So definitely the information gathering comes under two phases: the passive information gathering and active information gathering. Active information gathering means the information which are available inside the company or inside the profile of the people, inside the profile or internal part of this the target. Information available inside the target is the information called active information, and the information which are available in public, like on Google or anywhere. If we are getting those information from those places, it will be called as passive information gathering. Okay, so it's saying these are the simple things, like search engine can help you to gather the information, and then who is lookup can be done, and then social media reconnaissance, public code repositories can be checked, subdomain enumeration, and then active information gathering, Nmap or masks can be used, Netcat, Nmap, Telnet, all these things can be used. Okay. Dig and SPIC of these things are the utility tools. Web application specific recurrence can be found by spidering, Bugsuit, OWASP, Zap, HTTP track to capture the content of the website. Identify technologies, Webanalyzer built in with, search for directories and files. These tools can help for those. Session enumeration, data collection and network and APIs. All these things, the repeated thing can be used. This Wireshark can be used for information gathering. Okay, these are the general things which we are doing, which we are performing on daily basis in any information gathering phase. So here it has discussed you can use the OSINT to gather information. OSINT is the framework. It will guide which tool you can use and for what purpose. OSINT is a framework, just a framework. It will guide. It will not help you to perform. It means it will not perform in your behalf. It will give you the structure. Okay, so let's move. So first, today's example is information gathering with the example of job hunting. So definitely we need your two things, your skills. You know, there are two skills, soft skill and hard skill. Can you tell me the soft skill? Naim sir, can you tell me the meaning of soft skill?
Communication. That's very important. You're audible. You're on mute, I think so.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. 70 to 90, the scale of 70 to 90, the communication skill matters. If you don't have communication, your hard skill can't survive, make you survive in that level. Means it can give you the amount, it can give you the salary, but it can in case you are it can help you to get the money from the company or from the project. But to lead the project or to make the project successful, you have to have the soft skill. Without soft skill, it's quite hard. My aim of this session is to increase soft skill. Like if we sit like this, if we talk with like this, if we communicate with people on daily basis or weekends, it can help us to improvise our soft skill. You know this? It can only help us to improve the soft skill, nothing else. You can't improve the soft skill by sitting in front of a computer, in front of you that task you are learning. You know this, you have to be socialized. you have to have the communication with the people or the same field people. Okay, so hope this session will help to build up the soft skill among tech savvies and among cybersecurity professionals. Okay, and then the hard skills. So if you have structured properly your soft skill and hard skill, if you have evidence like you have video recorded, your introduction recorded, you have something to show in your resume, it will be your resume will be highlighted among the thousands of the resumes. If you don't have soft skill, neither hard skill, you can't find. What will you do by finding the jobs if you don't have skills? Definitely, you should have skills. First, skills are matters. So to build up or to develop skills, there are plenty of things are available which we can acquire, but it requires time, thousands of hours, 500 of hours, 200 of hours. We can learn within a day or within a night, especially cybersecurity skills. Can we learn within a day or night? We need to invest plenty of hours, right? So when you have the resume properly structured, soft skill and hard skills in that resume, then after we can perform this job hunting, information gathering by keeping job hunting in mind. Okay. So let's can you give me what type of job I can find over the internet being an information gatherer? We are going to take the help of Google Doc. Have you heard about Google Doc? Google Doc. Yeah, so Google Doc is famous. Everybody knows if they are from cybersecurity field. Yeah, so Google Doc is the advanced search of Google, advanced search of that Google to perform to find anything in fraction of second. Okay. So to find the specific job, we need to take the help of Google Doc. So have you ever performed, Naeem, Abdul Rahman, or Saif, have you ever performed Google Doc?
I have performed it, but very rarely, not much. Very rarely, I have done it.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So Google Doc is nothing but the advanced search of Google. You know this? See here. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah. This comes under Google Doc phase. This is the advanced search. You can type what you want and get the result, the exact result, the specific result. Okay. So this, but we are performing the shortcuts of this advanced search in Google Doc. We are doing the same thing. We can manually type over here everything one by one, or just go with the Google Doc the statements. So I'm gonna search, take the help of Google Doc to find the job. So what are the places where we can find jobs? Not only tech Muslim teaching group or other Telegram groups, but we have plenty of places to find out the jobs, right?
Yes.
So who want to find the job? Yeah, Abdul Rahman, can you give me the job profile, Saif?
Yeah, the job profile we can search is like for ServiceNow administrator, like as an example now.
Pardon?
ServiceNow administrator.
ServiceNow or Linux administrator?
Oh yeah, you can take Linux administrator.
Okay, Linux administrator. Yeah.
Yes.
So job profile is Linux administrator. I'm just defining the target.
Yes.
Job profile is administrator, and what is the target? Whom we are going to ask? Tech companies.
So we are going. Yeah, companies.
Tech companies. Yeah, tech companies are our target. And what else? Who else? HR, some HR organizations, human resource organizations.
Yes, it will be helpful. Human resource organization.
So one is tech company. Second target is human resource organizations. And who else? Who can help us?
who can help us is the current employees who are working there. They can share us the reference
Yeah,
as well.
employees or our friends. As we have the tech Muslim teaching, right? Muslim teaching group. In that group,
Okay.
the aim is to help, to take help from the employees.
Yes.
Okay, so this will be called as active information gathering or passive information gathering. If we are
If it is
asking,
employees, if it is directly employees, then it will be active.
yeah, active, because we are asking the internal people of the organization. We are getting information from the internal part of the organization. Yeah, definitely it will be the active information gathering. So we have passive and active, both options are there. But in both the soft skill is required. If we don't have soft skill, we can't ask people. Like if I'm giving you the list of 10 people, 20 people, and if you can't talk with them, if you can't talk with them on call or on video message or audio message, it can help you to reach your goal. You should have the soft skill to communicate with people, right?
Yes.
Mm.
Correct.
Yeah. So our job profile is Linux administrator, Linux administrator. This is our job profile. Okay, isn't it? Instead of this, we can say that we can write the another job profile like graphic designer, digital marketer, or pen tester, isn't it? VAPT, yeah, VAPT professional, or anything, any web developer, okay, language translator, or any job profile we can put over here. It is not only for tech or cybersecurity job profiles.
Yes.
What else? Where we want to find this, right? We need to mention the site. For example, we are just going to check on LinkedIn. Okay, only on LinkedIn. So we need to find type the LinkedIn over here. LinkedIn, and LinkedIn has different subdomains. You know, this is called subdomains. LinkedIn has subdomains for all the countries, other the countries. If you want to find for Brazil, you can write BR. For USA, you can write US. I'm finding
Yeah.
in India.
Okay. Like I
Okay.
only can.
Yeah, this is the site. This is the job profile. But I'm just typing Linux administrator, not nothing else. It will only give me the profiles who has wrote Linux administrator on the heads, on the heading. You know, the heading of Linux profiles. Heading of Linux profile, like about yourself, you're writing over there on the heading of the Linux profile. So if someone has wrote this Linux administrator on their heading, it will be shown over there, not the jobs. So we need to find, we need to type jobs after that. Linux administrator job. Okay, and then here in text, what we want to find, what we are looking for, what we are searching. We are searching email or contact or apply now options. We can type anything we are looking for. Like for example, we can type apply now. It will show us the apply now option. If you are writing email, it will show us the email ID. Okay, and we can also type the contacts here. If we write contacts, it will give me the contacts. Or if we are typing phone, it will give me the phone. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, it is clear. Yeah.
Yeah. So we are going to type email. We want email to apply.
Okay.
Let's search. See here, Anjana Pundir's post. Email as contact number, so I can send you information. I'm looking for Linux administrator. He is himself looking for. He's not providing the job. He is looking for job. Okay. So what? Okay. What we can do? How you can get the information from this guy, Anjana Pundir? Anjana Pundir. How can you get the information from that guy or that girl? Yeah.
So, like if he has posted some information regarding his requirement, so there must be some comment, some people who have commented on that post, ki Baba, there is the opening for this profile. You can connect with that person. We can search it another way.
Yeah, definitely. Direct, we can ask that person whether you got the job. May she will reply, no, I didn't get job. I was not able to qualify that job. Or she will reply, no, I still am hunting the job. Or definitely people will come in the comment. They will talk these talks. So we can analyze that talking, that comments.
Yes, yes. We can analyze that conversation.
Yeah. So here this person, Balkaran Singh, till now Red Hat Linux trainer. So if he is a trainer, definitely he will have uh, some connection, some contacts, isn't it? I'm saying talk like an information gatherer, or think like an information gatherer. So how this Ba- Balkaran Singh can help you, Abdul Rahman?
Yes.
How this, if I'm contacting this Balkan Singh, how this Balkan Singh can help me?
Yeah, through his network he can help me. Like if he will be having like any of the reference or it will be helpful. Like as he is the Red Hat Linux trainer, so of course his network will help because by giving him a message, it will be just as an introductory message. So further, if it moves the conversation, so it will be helpful.
Yeah, either he is training, it means he has so many students,
Yes.
and he is
So
providing them uh, the opportunity, the
training.
job opportunity to those people also. That's why
Yeah.
he might be
After
having
training,
some
yeah, he's up.
contacts, some direct contacts with those people where the Linux administrator job profiles are available, for the jobs are available.
Yes.
Yeah, so he will have some context. And see here, macro pro software solution, mentor analyze the campaign performance. We are looking for, see, here's the job. So this person is looking for job. Monitor
Okay. Yes.
analyze the campaign performance. We are looking for one Linux administrator job description. See here, he has discussed everything. See,
Yeah. The company is looking for a fresh
yeah,
Linux
he
administrator.
the company is looking for the candidates. See, lots of job opportunities are there. So we can go with this person as well. Okay. And what about the email IDs? We want email IDs. See, we want email IDs. So we can directly type here gmail.com. It will give you the email IDs. See?
Many a times by it happens like when there is a post on LinkedIn from on the site of the organization. So
Yeah,
sometimes the
definitely.
HR is visible. HR names are visible, and sometimes HR name is not visible. And just there is a post on the company site, and sometimes it happens ki in LinkedIn some people forgot to mention the email ID. So how to communicate? And some people are very like broad-minded, so they post the requirement in such a way that everyone can reach that post. Like they put their email ID, they put their contact number. So and this is what is happening, and some people are using Workday job link. So when we click on that link, so there is a database they have that we apply on that, and they feed that information, and they call from there. But I have observed नॉट ऑन आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑन द नेगेटिव साइड आई हैव ऑब्जर्व कि बट लिंक्डइन में ऐसा हो रहा है कि ओपनिंग आ रही है पोस्ट कर रहे हैं लोग फॉलो अप कर रहे हैं बट कन्वर्जन रेट है ना बहुत कम है मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है पता नहीं मे बी आई एम रॉन्ग कन्वर्जन रेट है ना बहुत कम है
The reason behind less conversion rate is the lack of skill sets. Either people have soft skill or they have hard skill. The companies, they are looking for both the skills, hard and soft,
करेक्ट भाई
both the skill sets.
करेक्ट भाई बट
Hence,
दे
it
डोंट
is
इवन
quite
फॉलो अप
difficult to find one candidate from one entire college, from one college, where more than 1,000 people are going to get the education. But either they are getting soft skill or hard skill, not both, or nothing else. Means they are getting nothing. They are just wasting time. So that's why the conversion rate is very low. If you will see, more than 1,000 people has given their resumes. They have applied, they have filled the form, but only one or two, or maybe sometimes none, getting calls. The reason is they don't have soft skill and hard skills, both the skills required.
Correct, bhai. I got your point. But still, they don't follow up. They don't reply. They don't like. Also, they cannot like reply. Ki, we will look onto your resume. If we follow on that comment and we reply that we are interested, and or if we like send the email for the resume on the email ID they have mentioned, so they didn't even like how do I don't know how they scrutinize our resume. They should have at least call now. Ki, Baba, like what is happening, what are your skill set. They don't take initial step to scrutinize your resume. I think they are just matching with the help of that LinkedIn match is there, skill match profile is there. They are having that because like whenever I used to apply on that from that job requirement, na, so it automatically pops up and gives that you are having 8 skills which are matching. You are having 2 skills with the job description which are matching and which are not matching. So I don't know they are using that or something like that. But this is not only my concern. I have spoken to many of my friends कि LinkedIn पे कुछ नहीं मिलता है. Like they straightforwardly said that कि पापा LinkedIn पे कुछ नहीं just they LinkedIn is like nowadays is like fascinating website to just show off your profile and people don't reply on that seriously and don't take it seriously. That's the matter that the people are nowadays concluding about the LinkedIn. I don't know why. Maybe I'm on the wrong side, but this is my so far conclusion. But, previously, I was taking very seriously the about LinkedIn, but
Okay. So do one thing. Just sit like this. Record a video of 1 minute, minimum 1 minute, and discuss the things you know, the skill set you have mastered,
okay.
the tools you have used, and the courses you have completed. All these things in a video of 1 minute or 2 minutes, and attach its link with your resume. Just upload that video on YouTube, unlist that video, and attach that link video to that resume, and then forward that resume. Then see,
Okay.
believe
That
me,
I have not done.
yeah, 70 to 90% if they find soft skill in people who are tech savvy, or they are belonging to some specific field, but they have soft skill, not only hard skills, but they have soft skill. Definitely they can't ignore you, they can't decline you, they will definitely call you.
Okay, I'll take your point, sir.
Yeah,
I'll do the needful on this.
sure. Okay, now so we are going to okay, we have understood. Now we are going to just ask Google what it is saying. Okay, see, I quoted this in double inverted comma, and I'm searching. See, these things are available. These profiles are available, like 10 more jobs. See here. Okay, and they have posted 15 days ago. See, 15 days ago, 11 days ago, 6 days ago, full time, 3 days ago, 3 days ago. We can ask for this. But what do you think? What do you think? How the tech people or cybersecurity professional or the information gatherer person will apply for these jobs without wasting the time? Can you give me the hint, or can you give me anything which you can understand, which we can understand? How I can save my time? I will take less than 5 minutes or 3 minutes to apply for these jobs because I need to do this on daily basis. And it will require around 1.5 hour or 1 hour to apply on all, to fill the all forms and apply on all for all the jobs. So what I can do? Yeah.
Manually, we can apply on the link from the LinkedIn or where we see that opportunity. That is one option. And but it is a time consuming, and so we cannot every time search and in a working hour, and we can apply for that job role. So that is a
Yeah,
time consuming.
definitely. We can invest time neither in job searching, in neither information technology or any phase. Whatever work you are doing or I'm doing, people are doing, we can invest much time. Believe me, if you are investing much time, you are just going to kill that environment or atmosphere. If you are killing the time, you have to automate this thing. You have to learn how to use scripts, how to use the extensions, how to automate your task, how to take most out of GPT to automate my task, how to use the libraries, different libraries. All these things are required. Okay, so in saving the time to increase the efficiency. Okay, so before we go for that, just let take the example of the date like this. Can we find from other locations? Like this seems like these are the jobs available in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, and via Shine. Shine is the platform where we are applying the job. Okay, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. So we can change the area from here. Okay, we can change the area from here, or we can write area here only. Location Hyderabad or Pune.
Yes, Hyderabad.
Okay, anywhere. See, in Hyderabad, nothing is available. Is Hyderabad spelling correct? Hyderabad, is it correct?
No, it is it's YDE.
Hyderabad,
After D it is E.
Hyderabad. Okay. Hyderabad. See this one?
Yeah. First one is correct. Yeah.
Okay. This one.
Yes.
See the job portals. In Hyderabad, we have
Yeah.
these
We'll be
jobs
having.
profiles available.
Yes.
Senior
We'll be having.
Linux Administrator, Hyderabad, Telangana, via Shine. Iskandarabad, Telangana. See, jobs are available. So the aim is to automate this task. We can apply manually by visiting all these websites. Say 5 days ago, 5 days ago, 5 days ago. So what do you think? If I apply for all these profiles, what are the chances of getting the jobs? Can you tell me?
Yeah, it is like more chances you'll be getting interview calls.
Yeah. So these much of jobs are available over here. Not only Hyderabad, but we can find for Pune as well.
Yes.
Pune, See, jobs are available.
Yes.
Pune, Maharashtra location I have chosen. Okay. So what is the challenge now? Yes, Sam, are you saying something?
No, sir, I'm not saying anything. But how we can automate, I want to know, sir, because like uh, you have picked the main point, but still we are not tech savvy. We are working as a engineer. We have qualified as an engineer. We are doing a tech job, but we have not become a tech savvy like a pro. So because like we if we are not using technology for uh,
You are not audible. He left that.
Yeah, he's not in the meeting yet to join us.
Okay, okay, okay.
sorry, there was one call.
Yeah, no problem. I need to join from here. Okay, okay. Let me finish this. So what we are going to use is we are going to use some extensions. For example, let's say the name of the extension autofill. Autofill. We are going to use this extension, autofill extension, this lightning autofill extension. That's all. Only this one. By using this autofill, because we have option to fill with different profiles, fill this application with different profiles. Like we can take the yeah we can fill for Abdul Rahman, for you, for me, and for other people in this autofill extension, and then we can automate the autofill just by clicking few steps, clicking on few things, and it will automatically fill the forms, and it will also help us to apply the form automatically. This is going to help you. Lightning autofill. We are going to perform this next week. No.
Yeah, sure, we can do it next week.
Hello, hello.
So there may be some interruption from his side. So Syed, can you like introduce yourself like as you are new for me today?
Yeah, Abdul Rahman bhai, like I have been into IT industry for more than 7 years.
Okay, good to know that.
Hmm. For more
So
than